Hey guys, welcome to Inerja, and we are doing an unboxing of our Mary Kay order that we just got in. The girls were both out of cleaning things, so I was going to go over those with you. But first, this cute little set comes with your orders right now, so I'm not quite sure. I'll leave it in the description below, like if it's a minimum order or if it's just for this March, or I'm not sure. So, but it came in my last order, so there's that. But two of the things I am super excited about in this order was some new products. The first is the cream bronzer. I don't know if you can see in there. It's a dual color. And this is new. It was in the catalog, so I thought we'd give it a try. And then the other one is the cream highlighter duo stick. So it's also two colors and it's a little shimmery. So I am super excited about trying these out. The girls are too. Another thing that was new in the catalog that we ordered is this new lipstick. Such a pretty pink color. So I think I'm going to have to get Adam to take me out this weekend to try it out. It's called Think of Pink. So, and I think it's definitely a pretty good name for it because it is definitely pink. So, and then last time I ordered myself some eyeliner, and I've yet to use said eyeliner because it was stolen by a girl in my house. So I had to order myself another eyeliner. I'm excited. I never got to use the other one, but Elsie is really loving it. So I thought I'd give it a shot. And then one of my favorite things, and guys, if you haven't tried this, you are really missing out, but it is an oil-free eye makeup remover. And I'm going to do a video all on its own for this, but there are so many things that you can do with this eye makeup remover besides just removing your makeup. It's for dry to oily skin. I use it. I haven't really noticed it causing I do like it. Feels like it nourishes my eyes. So when I clean my eyes with it, and then when I go to wash my face, like my eyes feel not so dry. I like that. So, but there are a couple of other secret things that you can do with it. So I'll be looking for another video on that. We are also going to try this micellar water. Elsie tried the sample of it and really liked it. So I thought we'd give it a shot. The directions are to apply a small amount to cotton ball, gently rub the cotton pad over your face, and repeat the process until it shows no trace of makeup. So I'm not sure exactly when you use this in the cleaning process, but we're going to give it a try. So I've heard good things about it. Now, this is the main reason I placed the order. Both the girls were out of their cleaning systems. So first off, Elsie, who was 13, we're using the Clear Proof. And she has, 13-year-old acne. Nothing crazy, but stuff that she wants to take care of. And when she's regularly using this, it makes such a big difference. It doesn't dry her skin out. She really likes it. And one thing I really like is the acne treatment gel. Like if you notice just a little breakout and you start treating it with that, like it's gone in a couple of days. So I like that a lot. Emma, on the other hand, uses the botanical effects. So she cleans her face with the cleansing gel. And then after that, she rinses it with, not that. She rinses it and cleanses it with the toner and for a little fresh feeling. And then she uses the moisturizing gel. I've not noticed it drying her face out at all. Like, it seems to do a really good job of keeping her face clean, but yet not drying it out, which tends to happen a lot with some face cleaners that we've used in the past. So I am pretty excited about our order coming in. I already had some of the eye makeup remover, but I knew I didn't want to run out of that. That's not something I wanted to run out of. So we had to go ahead and order a new one. So the bronzers, I'm so excited about that. And eyeliner and lipstick. I'm excited that I have a date this weekend and I'm going to get to use some of this. So I'm going to put our link below. That takes you straight to the Mary Kay website where you can place an order. The order will come straight to you. You won't have to worry about it coming from me to you. It'll come straight to you from Mary Kay. Also put our link tree down there so it'll connect you to anything and everything. And if you subscribe, you can get updates when I add things to that and change things. So hope you're having a great night, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great one. Bye, everybody.